Have you ever tried to fix a problem only to end up making it 10 times worse? It sounds counterintuitive, right? But it happens more often than you think. There's a fascinating historical event from colonial Delhi that perfectly illustrates this, introducing us to a mind-bending economic concept called the Cobra Effect. Picture this: Delhi, under British rule. The city is facing a terrifying crisis. Venomous cobras are everywhere, slithering through streets and homes, turning daily life into a constant state of fear. Deaths from snake bites were on the rise, and the British administration knew they had to do something, and fast. So they came up with what seemed like a brilliant plan: offer a cash reward, or a bounty, for every dead cobra brought to them. The logic was simple: incentivize people to kill the snakes. The snake population goes down, and the city becomes safer. Initially, the plan was a roaring success. People eagerly started hunting cobras, collecting their rewards, and the number of snakes in the city began to drop. It looked like a win-win. But here's where human ingenuity took a wild turn. Some clever individuals realized something crucial. Why go through the dangerous hassle of hunting wild cobras when you could just breed them? That's right. People started setting up cobra farms, deliberately raising these deadly snakes in large numbers just to kill them and cash in on the bounty. The supply of dead cobras for the government became endless. Eventually, the British authorities caught on to the scheme. They were paying people to solve a problem that those same people were now creating. Frustrated, they abruptly canceled the entire bounty program. And that's when the real disaster struck. The cobra farmers, now left with thousands of worthless and very much alive snakes, did the only logical thing they could do. They released them. The streets of Delhi were suddenly flooded with more cobras than ever before. The original problem hadn't just returned, it had multiplied. This historical blunder gave birth to the term, the Cobra Effect. It describes any situation where an attempted solution to a problem ironically makes the problem worse. The core issue is a poorly designed incentive that encourages people to game the system. And you can see this effect play out in modern life too. Think about schools that pressure teachers to raise standardized test scores. What happens? Sometimes the focus shifts from genuine understanding to just memorizing facts for the test, which can actually hinder real learning. Or consider environmental regulations. A company, trying to avoid costly pollution controls, might find a sneaky, unregulated way to dump waste, causing even more damage than before. The Cobra Effect is a powerful lesson. It teaches us that good intentions aren't enough. When we try to solve complex problems, we need to think through every possible consequence and design our solutions with care. A rushed plan can easily backfire and lead to a bigger mess. So, remember the lesson from Delhi. A good strategy is just as important as a good heart. What do you think? Have you ever seen the Cobra Effect in your own life or work? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into how our world works. Thanks for watching.